Okay, we're going to do a review here of some short potentials. It's May 12th, 2021. As I've been saying about the SPY the last few days, and today in particular, look at this sharp sell-off. It is at key support around 407. No, 407. So it's just below that. The 50-day moving average is here at 406. That makes be stronger support down around 4,000. It's down 1.69% today. So, and we see that 44% of stocks are below their 40-day moving average. We are starting to get into an oversold position here with the McClellan oscillator at negative 121. 150 is oversold. Negative 200 is extremely oversold. Big bounce on the VIX today. It's back over the 20. Now this is neutral territory between 20 and 30. It gets over 30 and that's bearish. So let's have a look at some of the some ideas. I'll run through them. If I don't see anything of too much excitement on them, I'll just pass over them. There's ABT. This looks good, but it doesn't have much range. I mean, you know, in the last 6 months, it's gone from 105 to 128, 130. And then just in even the last 3 months, it's gone from 115 to 125, now back to 115. So there may not be enough range in that stock for, you know, for a swing trade that we'd like to put on. ACN here is rolling over very sharply down 720. This would be a good short, but because it's such a thin trader, it probably doesn't have the options. Let's have a look and see if it has options that are tradable for us. It doesn't have many options. Not much volume in the options. It does have options, but there's no volume to them. Oh, wait a minute, here we go, 260. Yeah, I mean, you know, there's the 280s puts have 122 open interest, so not much open interest there, big spreads. 122. Sorry, the 285s. 280s. It's at 280. That's a month out. You could probably trade those. Anyways, ACN, sharp sell-off here, so we would watch that for a bounce. ACN. ADS here, it did pop out of a wedge pattern, so this is actually a bullish chart still. American Eagle, start chart still pretty bullish. Pretty strong. AMBA, now it's pretty thin volume, 242,000, so a bit short, a bit thin to trade, but head and shoulders pattern, here's your neckline. This trade's below 85. It's pretty thin though, but we'll look at it. Again, this AME, it is off $4 today, but not much range normally. 500,000. It can trade a million. This NVIDIA is breaking down here. This is probably a short. NVIDIA from 550 down to 500. I'm just looking at the options on it. AOS chart's still strong. Semiconductor stock's really breaking down here. This stock, though, never trades AOSL. It's only traded 100,000. It's bearish, but in a downtrending channel, but there's not enough volume. APTV here breaks below this 134. Could trade 124, 118. IPTV, ARCH, strong chart, that's coal. ARGX, it's only traded 80,000, so that looks like a good short, but it's no volume. AMRK here, this doesn't have much range though. Ooh, ARRY. So much for that one. I was gonna short this stock back here at 25. Missed it. Oh, that one's missed that one. This ASML is breaking down here. But it doesn't really have many options. So, and a bit thin to trade. 670. This would be a good short, but there's no options on it, so probably not something we can trade. ATOM at 40 would have been a good short, but it's coming into support now. AXGN, not much range to it, not much volume. No volume on AXSM. AZUL, chart's neutral. Boeing actually looks like it would be a good short. No volume. No real volume. I was looking at shorting this BAND, but there's just no volume to it. This could go a long ways down though. BAND below 110. I was looking at shorting this one as well, but it not much volume. Traded under the 40. This could trade down to 33, so not that much range. Oops. This Billy. This is a very bearish looking chart here. Mind you, this is a reverse head and shoulders, pop through it, pull back. If this breaks below 90, Billy, short for sure. And it does have options, I think. Yeah, some. CRIS here. Let's just. Is it Billy? Billy looks like a short. Boston Scientific down $1 today. Again, not much range. It does have the volume, but not much room to move, so. This BWXT, there's no volume, too bad. Beyond Meat looks like it wants to trade lower. You know, if this trades below 100, maybe here, 100. Could trade back down to 80, BYND. Cake strong, still. Not much range for CALX. It's kind of mid. I mean, it is sold off from 50 to 39, but that's a big move for it. So this could sell off down to 32, another $7. Watch Carnival Cruise Lines below 24.50. CDLX. It's thin volume though, and it's down from 150 already. This is key support for it around 87. But not much volume. This has room to move. CDNA. See, there's support here, right around this 59 area, 60. Could trade down to 47, 36. We shorted the CGNX here already. This is breaking down. I think it continues to go. That's why I shorted it. This has options. This could trade down to 72 and then 63. They put a swing on that. It's broken down below the 81 there. Needs to get down through 78. Let's see. CPRT. Looks like it wants to sell off, but double topped here at around 127. Could trade down to 106. This Cirrus Logic and big gap down. You know, if this starts to trade below, well, it's already failed its support. Doesn't trade much volume though. It's the problem with shorts. They don't trade much volume when stock because they just drift under their own weight. This crowd, this is a bear flag. If this breaks below 170, could be a short. Not much range in that. CSIQ is breaking down here. These solar stocks, they just have not done well. The growth sector is really bad. So CSIQ. I mean, this could trade down to 24. See if it has options. Not many. This is breaking down CSIQ. You could short this in here. Maybe below 35. Look at this big distribution up here on this Carvana. 300. There's your supports broken down. Below support. Big volume. CVNA. Let's have a look at the options. Again, they're not that many. Nice, yeah, not really that liquid. I like that CVNA for a short though. Put that on watch. It's already down $12 today though, so it might be, maybe wait for a bounce. Deutsche Bank strong. This triple D looked like a short, but it bounced. If this trades back under this level here, 18, then that'll be a short. That DG came off sharply today. It's very super volatile. Look at the range this thing has, $10 range. You'd want to see it bounce to 210. Disney's breaking down. Could come back to 160, fill the gap here at 157. DIS. It's liquid. as options. Descending triangle. This Denali also looks like a short in here under the 50. It's in a big declining channel. But not much volume, 450,000 only. D000. Look at that sell off. Needs a bounce. DRI's breaking down here. A little late for EBS. 120 to, look at that, would have been a perfect short there. But no volume, that's the problem. Bear flag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weakness. Just continues to sell off. Just no volume though. Edit, same thing, down from 100. I was looking to short that one too, and I just missed it. Estee Lauder looks like it wants to break down. Maybe under 280. This ENPH, this is another one that should be shorted in here. It has volume. EXPE, I like this as a short too. Under 162. FN breaking down, but there's no volume. It's only 100,000 shares, so you can't short it. I missed this FSLY. I was looking to short that, and it dropped $15. Just missed it by a day. No real. The chart looks very bearish, but it's really, from 43. I mean, if you had caught it up here at the 49, but 43 to, 38 is only a $5 move. Not really what we're looking for. This GDOT continues just to sell off here. Maybe if it pops. It's GDS. But it's already come from 120, right? This is key support for it right here at 70. It's broken down below that. GDS. That's probably a short. Grub breaking down here. This could go it could sell off quite sharply, but it's already down from 80, so but below 58 maybe. Grub looks like a good short. Gravy, but it never trades. Hasbro, but not much volume. Not much volume. IVI here. This looks like it wants to break down. Key support at 52. Could go. This IRBT, this is broken down out of this big basing pattern. Not much volume though, that's the problem. But it could come off. IRDM. IRTC. Very weak. But getting down in an area of key support, so it's too late for that one. ISRG. Intuitive Surgical. This could have, this could drop 50 points. No volume. JD. It's already down from 100, so a bit late. This KOD, I missed this one too. I was looking at shorting this at 100. And the gap down could continue lower. MDB, this looks like a short. I have that on my list. Thing about this MDB, this can drop a long ways. It's already down 150 bucks, 170. MGNI, we already shorted that. No volume. This MP probably comes back to 15, but it's already off a lot, so. I like this NVTA as a short too, but to keep an eye on that one. Shorted pegs already. This pen, look at the big topping pattern on pen here. This is support for it at 77. So maybe below. It's already down 6 on the day. Pen is a good short in here right now. Enough volume. I like this plan maybe as a short. Maybe under 50. Roku's a short. This has already had a big move down, so we missed that. Much range. SKLZ was a short, but on that pop. Skechers could fill the gap there to 45. Stem. Not enough volume, STMP. Too bad. Looks like it's going to trade a lot lower. STNE, I like this as a short. STNE. It's broken down. Some of these there's just no volume to them. That'd be a great short, but there's no volume. Win probably is a good short if it breaks below that line. That's it.